renewable energy sources. The energy which is coming from the sunlight and water, this energy is called renewable energy sources because these energy sources will not be finished or exhausted like the coal, oil, or natural gas, which are called fossil fuels. Energy from water. The energy which we take from water is very cheap. So, for this purpose, dams are constructed at suitable locations. These dams are constructed and these dams helps to control the floods by storing a large amount of water. Water which is stored in these dams is used to generate a large amount of electrical energy, and this electrical energy will be clean and it does not create any environmental problems. Energy from sun. The energy which is coming from sun is called solar energy, and we are dependent on this solar energy for our all food and fuel. If we find a suitable method to use the fraction of solar energy which is reaching the earth, then it would be enough to fulfill our energy requirements. Solar house heating system. The energy which is coming from sun, this energy is called solar energy, and solar energy is used in our houses, offices, and in industries. Solar house heating system is used successfully in those areas where minimum amount of sunshine is coming in winter season. Solar house heating system consists of a collector, storage device, and distribution system. Solar collector in solar house heating system is made up of glass panels over blank metal plates. These plates absorb the solar energy, and this sun energy heat the liquid which is flowing in the pipes at the back of the collector. So in this way, the water which is present in the pipes, that water will be hot, and this hot water is used for cooking, washing, and heating the buildings. Solar cells. Solar cells are used in solar cookers, solar power plants, and solar distillation plants. Solar cells are also called photocells, which receive the sunlight energy, or these cells capture the light energy. These solar cells are made from silicon wafers, and when these solar cells absorbs the sunlight energy, so they convert the sunlight energy into the electrical energy, and large number of these solar cells are wired together in the solar panels. Solar panels provide power in telephone booths, lighthouses, in scientific research centers, in power satellites. And there are also several other ways to trap the sun rays or to trap the sunlight energy. If scientists could find an efficient and inexpensive method to the use of solar energy, then people would get clean, limitless energy, the energy which never be finished, as the sun continues to be shine.